this presentation, I'm going to discuss the differences between the SAT and ACT exams. High school students planning on attending college know that a standardized college admission exam lies in their future. For almost a century, the test of choice was the SAT. It was created in 1926 to allow college-bound students to take one entrance exam for several universities instead of taking a separate entrance exam for each university to which they applied. Its purpose also was to provide equal opportunity for all students to demonstrate their skills and knowledge, regardless of their economic status and their specific high school curriculum. Approximately 8,000 students took the first SAT exam in 1926. 90 years later, that number climbed to 1.7 million students for the class of 2015. But the SAT does have competition. The ACT, which was created in 1959 for basically the same purposes as the SAT, is most popular with students in mid-America, while students on both the east and west coasts of the United States and in Texas favor the SAT. Almost every college in the U.S. will accept either SAT or ACT scores, and no college requires both. So what's the difference? With the redesign of the SAT, both tests are now remarkably similar in that they both have one critical reading section and one English section, where students identify grammatical errors. They also both offer students an optional essay. The main difference is that the SAT contains two math sections, while the ACT has one math section and one science section filled with tables, charts, and graphs. Both tests have roughly the same time frame, with the new SAT at 3 hours and the ACT 5 minutes shorter, without the optional essay. But there are 40% more questions on the ACT, requiring students to work at a substantially quicker pace. Since both of these tests are marked on a curve, students are basically competing with their peers when taking either test. So the key is preparation. Standardized test scores are the main criteria that colleges use when allocating scholarship money, as it's the fairest way to compare students from a wide range of backgrounds and educational experiences. By improving their SAT or ACT scores, students can significantly increase their chances of being awarded scholarship money. And whatever money they are awarded for the freshman year typically gets renewed for each of the student's subsequent 3 years of college. For example, an extra $8,000 merit award due to higher SAT scores ultimately becomes $32,000 of scholarship money. So the best policy for college-bound students is to devote some serious time and effort to test preparation. The payoff could be substantial. I hope you found this information helpful. Please view our other videos on the PSAT, SAT, ACT, and college application process.